morning students, how are you? I hope better you are fine. Okay, today we will do our chapter number 3, the earth major water bodies. Okay, geography chapter number 3. Clear? Okay beta, large parts of the earth surface are covered by water bodies such as ocean, sea, rivers and lakes. And beta, you know 97.3% our earth surface is covered with water. But water scarcity is also there. Okay, you are thinking now how it is possible. If our earth is covered by water 97.3%, then why we are saying that there is the scarcity of water? Okay, because 97.3% water is the saline water, means salty water is there. Understand? And only 1/4 earth surface is there. Clear? And beta, look at the map. Let's see. Okay, figure 1.3.1 is there. Okay, they have given here continents and oceans also. Okay, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean and Indian Ocean. Okay, when you will watch this video, after that you have to open your book and see this figure. Okay, with the help of this figure you will understand this chapter. Clear? And beta, one thing more, means when you will notice equator is there, you know very well in the last standard also you read. Okay, our earth is divided into equal parts. Clear? And one line is there, this is known as equator. Okay, 0 degree equator, means this line divided our earth into equal part, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, northern and southern. Means this one is the north pole, south pole. Clear? And equator divided our earth into equal parts. And it cut the globe into equal parts called hemisphere. And beta, you will see that notice the greater part of land masses in the northern hemisphere. Here you can see equator is there. Okay, and the northern part of the land masses. Land mass means a large piece of land. Okay, that is known as continent. Okay, and land masses in the northern hemisphere, that is part of the globe lying on the north of the equator. It means the northern hemisphere is the land hemisphere and the southern hemisphere is known as the water hemisphere. Okay, after that ocean. How many oceans on the earth? 5 oceans on the earth. Ocean's definition is there, the vast area of water surrounding the land masses on the earth, means a large part of the land covered by water. Okay, and first ocean is there, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean, this is the largest ocean of the world, and it covered 1/3 of the globe. Okay, you can see here Pacific Ocean is this side also and this side also. Now you are thinking how it is possible, because beta on the globe it is in the circular shape. Circular shape means this shape. Clear? On the globe. But when we see it on the map, on this thing we will see. Okay, one side this one, because हम इसको इकट्ठा करेंगे. मान लो this one is the map. Okay, and we draw here the earth structure. Okay, one side this Pacific Ocean and this side also Pacific Ocean. But when we collect it, then it is in the circular shape. Clear? On the globe, when we see that it is in the circular shape, and America, and other side Asia and Australia. And in the north, it is linked in the Arctic Ocean, and in the south Pacific Ocean is the largely open. And one thing more, Mariana Trench is also there, means deepest trench on the earth. Okay, यहाँ पर सबसे गहराई है, समुद्र, गहरा समुद्र है. Deepest trench near the Australia, that is also in the Pacific Ocean. Clear? After that beta, and one thing more, sorry, and बच्चे you can see it is in the circular shape, and lithosphere plates joined also in this place, in this ocean, and volcanic eruption is also there. Okay, volcanic eruption is also there. Why? Because lithosphere plates join in that place. Clear? After that, next is the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, beta, it is the second largest ocean of the world, and its area is the half of the Pacific Ocean. Okay, but it is the second largest, but according to the Pacific Ocean, it has the covered the area of the half according to Pacific Ocean. Okay, the shape of this ocean resembles to letter S. You can see. See here, Atlantic Ocean is this side. Okay, this side North America, South America, you can see. Okay, means S shape. Okay, it is in S shape, and it merges into Arctic Ocean. To the south, it extends to up to Antarctic, and the coastal line of the Atlantic Ocean is quietly irregular and hence very long. Means the coastal line. Okay, this one is the coastal line of our India. Okay, this is also coastal line, and this one is also coastal line. Zigzag. This type of coastal line is there in the Atlantic Ocean, and but this location, yeah, this type of coastal line they are using for the ports and harbors. Means trading system is going there. Thus the Atlantic is the very busiest ocean from the point of the view of trade. Means ships are going this side, crisscross like this. Okay, they are moving. After that, beta, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Now you can think our Indian Navy is there. Okay, this ocean covers 1/5 part of the land under ocean and sea. The shape of this ocean is almost triangular. Okay, means this Indian Ocean having this type of shape, triangular. And in the north, it's bound by the continent of Asia. You can see our India is located here in the Asia continent, and in the north, Indian Ocean is also connected with Asia continent, and India is located at the head of this ocean. Okay, and in the south, Indian Ocean is wide open. Africa and Australia are to west and east of this ocean. After that, beta, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is this line to the north of the continent of North America and Europe and Asia. You can see Arctic Ocean this side, and this ocean is the continent of North America, Europe and Asia. It surrounds the North Pole. Firstly, I have told you two poles are there, North Pole and South Pole. Arctic Ocean is in the North Pole. On the account of this closeness to the North Pole, remains means this area on the Earth is covered by snow. Okay, freeze zone is there in the North Pole and in the South Pole also. Clear? Means covered with snow throughout the year. After that, beta, apart from these four oceans, there is a southern ocean also in the Antarctic Ocean, like this is downside. So southern ocean is also there, or Antarctic Ocean, which surrounds the continent of Antarctica. Okay, in southern hemisphere, and it is formed by the merging of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. On account of extremely low temperature, a large part of it frozen throughout the year. Means this part is also the freeze zone. Okay, and all things are covered with snow in this zone also. This zone is also lying in the freeze zone in the north also. That's its southern ocean. Okay, all things are covered, yeah, frozen throughout the year. Okay, beta. In next video we will discuss about sea. Thank you. Have a nice day.